Ever wonder how your broker keeps track of millions of investors? It often happens through a structure called an omnibus account. The term comes from Latin, meaning for all. In finance, it represents a single account that holds assets for many different people. Instead of opening a separate account for every single client, a broker uses one master account to hold securities for a large group. The broker does the heavy lifting by maintaining a detailed subledger. This keeps your individual holdings tracked while simplifying the broker's relationship with clearing firms. Unlike a segregated account where your name is on the asset directly, an omnibus account relies on the broker's internal bookkeeping to prove ownership. Because omnibus accounts streamline the settling process, they are significantly cheaper to manage, which often leads to lower fees for retail investors. The key takeaway is that even if your name isn't on the master ledger, your broker is legally required to maintain accurate records of your shares. If this helped you understand market mechanics, hit subscribe for more money basics. See you next time.